I'm sure you've heard the news. The future is here, and it's electrifying. On this channel we dive deep into the world of electronics repair and reviews, making tech accessible and exciting for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, we've got something for you. From fixing your broken gadgets to reviewing the latest tech, we cover it all with a beginner-friendly approach. Imagine fixing that old smartphone yourself, or knowing which gadget is worth your hard-earned money. Join our growing community of tech lovers where learning and fun go hand in hand. With easy-to-follow tutorials, in-depth reviews, and a splash of humor, you'll be empowered to tackle electronics like a pro. So, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because you won't want to miss our upcoming videos. Let's explore, repair, and reimagine the world of electronics together. Welcome to Electrotechnics, your go-to for electronics. Join our growing community of tech lovers where learning and fun go hand in hand.
Right. Imagine you've got this massive electric motor, like the kind that powers industrial machines or huge pumps. If you just blast it with full voltage right off the bat, it'll draw a ton of current. Think of it like slamming down the gas pedal on a car. Huge surge, lots of stress, not ideal. That's where the Wye-Delta motor starter comes in. But what is it and how does it actually work? Let me break it down. A Wye-Delta starter, sometimes called a star-delta starter, is basically a clever way to get a big motor spinning gently and let it run full speed. It's all about reducing that scary inrush current that happens at startup. Here's how it works, step by step. First, there are two ways to connect the windings in a three-phase motor: Y, or star, and delta. When you connect them in Y, the motor only sees about 58% of the line voltage. That means it draws less current, so it starts up gently, without tripping breakers or overheating wires. When the motor first starts, the starter connects the windings in Y. The motor starts spinning, but it's not at full torque yet. That's okay. We just want it moving without trouble. After a few seconds, once the motor's up to speed, a timer or a control relay flips things over from Y to delta. Now, the windings are connected in delta, so the motor gets full voltage. It can deliver full torque and run at full power. Here's the cool part. All this switching happens automatically inside the starter. You'll usually see three contactors, one for connecting in Y, one for delta, and one for the main power. The controls make sure the motor only switches to delta after it's ready, so you avoid that nasty current spike at the beginning. Why bother with all this? Well, if you're running big motors, starting them in delta mode right away can cause voltage drops in the whole system, mess with other equipment, or even damage the motor. The Wye-Delta starter is like a buffer, protecting your motor, your wiring, and everything connected to the power grid. So next time you see a huge industrial machine fire up nice and smooth, there's a good chance a Wye-Delta starter is working behind the scenes. It's a classic bit of engineering magic. Smart, simple, effective. And that's the basics of how a Wye-Delta motor starter works. Thanks for hanging out. Remember, always respect electricity and keep asking how things work.